Okay, so as I've probably mentioned like a million times by now, I will be going to Alberta for Christmas for like 3 weeks, and I need a suitcase because the one that I have, I'm actually gonna show that first, is tiny. If you watched my like prepping for Thanksgiving vlog, then you would have seen it already. But pretty much, it barely fits enough stuff for like a weekend. And so how is it supposed to fit stuff for 21 days? And that's with me packing like to wash my clothing and not just like have a new outfit every day. So yeah, with like my 4 outfits, I could still barely fit my toiletries into my suitcase, and I can't have toiletries in my backpack with my laptop. So I went to what is called the Free Store. Oops. I went to what's called the Free Store on campus, where pretty much if you leave stuff in your dorm or like in the classrooms or just like laying around on campus and you don't claim it after a certain amount of days, it goes to the Free Store, where all you Ottawa students can go in, and if you see something you like, you literally just grab and go. Like, you don't have to pay for any of it, so it's really amazing. And so me and my friend went the other day. I'll insert those clips right now. So we also went to Walden's to get some art supplies because there was a sale going, and we went to the Free Store on our way back. The second I walked through the door, literally like as soon as I walked through the door and I like turned left, there was a suitcase. I had been looking at suitcases and potentially buying one, but then here it is. So yeah. As you can see, I've already opened it. When I opened it, like when I first got it, I opened up this part right here, and the entire back that's supposed to be solid was completely cracked to pieces. So I had to get all that out. And then obviously it's from like it's reused, it's gross. So I took my all-purpose cleaning stuff that I have down there, and I just sprayed the heck out of it and then wiped it all down. So I'm thinking I might need to get something for inside to lay flat, just to have like a back surface, but I don't know if I actually need it or not. I have no idea. And then it comes with a pocket here. As you can see, it obviously opens this way, and then it has a pocket here. What's really funny is when I opened the front pocket, I found a purse. Whoever used to own this left their purse in there. So it's a Wayette. I don't know. Anyways, I found that. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe paint it, because I already have like a shit ton of purses anyways. And then when I opened the inside pocket, there was a whole freaking bag of female hygiene products. Just pads, tampons, wipes, masks, everything in there that you would possibly need. I threw it out. I'm sorry, but I have no idea how long any of that's been in there, and it's just gross. So yeah, that is my suitcase. And so now telling you the plan. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the plan. Obviously it's blue, and I like blue. I've been obsessed with blue recently, but it's not really my style, and it's very like generic, and literally anyone could confuse it for being theirs. So instead of doing what I normally would do, which is get like washi tape and just cover the suitcase in washi tape so that like I can see it when I'm at the airport, I'm actually going to paint the suitcase. which is going to be very interesting because I just realized that there's like lines on it, which means it's not a flat surface like I originally thought it was. So I might need to change my idea just a little bit. So when I originally did that, I didn't actually have a plan. Like, I had an idea, but I guess I didn't actually mention the idea. So the idea is mountains, because I have been living in Alberta for the last few years, and I am absolutely obsessed with like hiking and the mountains and all of that. So mountains and like Alberta is the main idea of what I want to paint. I think that's pretty much my plan. I have to like actually sit down and like draw it out, paint it out, whatever. But I think the first thing I'm gonna do is to gesso the front. And that way it's prepped and ready to go, because I want to do at least like 3 or 4 layers of gesso. I am officially done my suitcase. I'm just sealing it all with some Mod Podge. And then this is done and I can start packing because I leave at like 4 a.m. I don't know how many hours that is from now. It's 11 a.m. on Friday and I leave 4 a.m. on Saturday. This will take like an hour to dry because I want to do at least 2 coats of Mod Podge. Make sure it's nice and sealed. And yeah, oh my god, I'm actually really proud of this. It's not my favorite, like it's not my best work, but considering it's a freaking suitcase, I think I did pretty well. This took so freaking long though. Like it wasn't long to paint this. It's just that I started this like a month ago. Yeah, like a month ago I started this. And I only just finished it right now. Go me. Had I actually sat down and focused on it, then I would have had it done like a while ago. But I'm me and I can never finish anything unless it's like right before when I need it done. I can't. Not who I am, not what I do. I, for some reason, love to stress myself out. So, finish Mod Podging and then make some food. And you guys will see this right before my actual like last day here in Ottawa before leaving, where I will be packing and all that fun stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you tomorrow. This is gonna take forever.